Honestly, I still have like an hour to kill. I don't want to go to the car just yet, so there's a couple little shops.
Anything else?
That's it, thank you.
Okay, it's gonna be...
Actually, I'm so sorry. Can I try one of those raspberry yogurt meringues? Today we're back at Assembly Row because my Josh had an interview today. Yesterday I was here for some meetings and I didn't end up vlogging, which I kind of wish I did. But we're back at the same place. I just stopped at the Tarts. It's called Tatte Bakery and Cafe. I've never tried it before. I'm just trying to find a quick spot that I can go and kind of eat this in peace. I was gonna eat in the cafe, but there's a lot of music. I'm kind of next to these like big flowers, so I guess I'll go sit on one of these. It's cold out. I mean, there's all those chairs and stuff over there, but I don't know if I can just walk over, so it's okay. This is a private area anyway. I'm just gonna go sit on one of these flower chairs and hopefully no one will bug me. There's a couple birds. I just want to get a quick bite. Honestly, I'm gonna have to go inside and find someplace warm, but I wanted to just try this. I ended up getting a cloud meringue, like a raspberry meringue cookie. For thumbnail. That's pretty good. But what I really want to try, what's this, tiramisu? Oh, it's so cold. Oh, I'm shivering. Oh, like stuck to the roof of my mouth. Okay. I'm gonna go find somewhere warm. So cold. Okay, I changed my mind. There was like, oh God. I don't want to start my car just yet. I'm literally staring at the Encore. Right up that street. Straight ahead is the Encore. I just had some lunch next door at the Shake Shack, which I'm parked right in front of. I just don't want to start my car. Ooh, it's not that bad. I had it warm not long ago. I'm just fighting the chills from outside because I don't want someone thinking that I'm leaving. I'm like this person who just pulled up next to me. I don't know. They double park here because there's a lot of door dashers. So if someone pulls up next to me, I still have like an hour on my meter, so. You see this car? I don't know if they're just double parked, but you're gonna now watch me eat. Like, that's wildly close. I have a water. I dare someone to tell me to move. I don't know why. A lot of people, again, will double park, jump out, grab their meals and run, so I'm gonna die here otherwise. Why was it $18 for a cheeseburger and french fries though? I mean, I just don't want to walk too far. There's a Madison Reed. It's cold and I'm by myself. There's a Columbia right there, which it's not really my cup of tea. If there was like a Sephora, obviously I know there is, just I don't want to move because I parked and I don't want to walk very far. Yeah, it's not. There's a store called Pozzo or Pozzo. Move. Pozzo. It's dark for 1 second because I want to test something out. I'm home now. I've picked up my kids. As you can see by the mirror behind me, we brought up the Christmas tree. I want to show you, we kind of did our own little set right now. I moved the backdrop so that they weren't on the baseboards when we left the house for today. This was a $10 mini ring light, and it is so bright. So it goes right over the phone. Go, woo! All the lights are off in my room except for my Christmas lights. Bear with me for 1 second, I promise. There will be light in 1 second. It just slides on. If I press this little clip, it opens it up, so it allows me to clip it to my phone. But before I do that, I want to show you there's a couple little buttons on the side. So if I hold one down, it turns it on. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to clip it to my phone real quick. I'll hold it, and I'm going to turn this on. Most of the time, I'd be holding it anyways for vlogging purposes. Ooh, so it does have like warm, rainbow lights, different colored lights. I mean, I could just cycle through those, or they have, you know, your cool lights. Actually, I found that if I just adjusted my phone, this works. So let me set you guys up and show you a little bit of the scene, I guess, we've been creating. So I was trying to create that like faux, you know, fake I'm sitting on snow feel. So we got this really fluffy fleece blanket. So again, I'm just fixing it up because I was doing my makeup over here earlier. The backdrop, these are just white curtains that are hung from curtain rods over here, and then they're also like clamped. They're also clamped over here to block out, try to give me a white background. Sometimes I'll use my actual background, but then sometimes I'll just use AI and generate other backgrounds as well. It honestly depends on the pose and how the picture comes out. These snowflake lights are just battery operated, and they are on a timer, or you can leave them on. I will film a little bit behind the scenes, but like, we just use what we have. We get creative, we use clamps, we use curtains, we use Christmas trees. And with a little creativity, you too can create a winter wonderland set in your bedroom. I was just fixing the skirt, but it does look so cute. I'll fix it a little more off camera, but right now I'm gonna go get that chair. It's just a white, fuzzy, like stool. Just gonna take a quick bite to eat because I gotta put my babies to sleep pretty soon. It's a school night, but
Why?
I got some wings because Ella's got school tomorrow, baby. And I have some Elio's pizza. What's up, honey? We're gonna try these. These came from the smokehouse.
You asked for your bathrobe, you nut job. Here. I did. I beat her, slept around. you yourself eat it.
And you two bickering in the hallway.
Because she's just like you.
I know.
I'm gonna take it on her, and then I'm taking it on you. Ella, come here. I gotta beat you. Good. It's never stopped you from walking on your job. I'm gonna get you.
All my children.
Exactly.
Mom.
Hunter, relax, please. What, honey? Oh my goodness, all the superheroes fall over.
Big Hulk.
Watch your feet, baby. You can come with me. Watch your feet.
Pizza.
No, pizza is bedtime.
Look, there's Robot Hulk.
Robot Hulk.
Right there.
I will fart in your mouth.
Are you excited for Christmas?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm sure you
Look.
have.
Robot Hulk. Robot Hulk.
Hunter, get her. Are you eating chicken wings on the thing?
100%.
Mom,
Mm-hmm.
I got toy Bumblebee.
A toy bumblebee?
Yes.
A transformer bumblebee?
Come lay down. You got a couple minutes and then split time.
Is that what we want for Christmas this year? A transformer?
Yeah.
You want
Bumblebee?
You want Hot Wheels, don't you?
A Hot Wheel play
Hot Wheels
set?
play set. Yeah. All right.
Oh my goodness.
It was Sonic the Hedgehog with the on the
That's probably
Oh,
how
go
the iPad.
easy on the iPad.
Remember.
It was
how it
a
broke.
rat.